Do you know one thing, that the boys are not destroyed by drugs, not by bad grades, not by alcohol. They are being destroyed by one thing that they are doing alone in their room, and that is masturbation. Right now, porn and excessive masturbation is silently ruining the entire generation. If you are the one who cannot control the urge of masturbation for a week or 10 days, then bro, congratulations, you are an addicted person to masturbation. Because I know how it starts. It starts when you are alone. You just thought it's just a thing of 5 minutes. Let's do it. And when you hit dopamine in 5 minutes, then you are addicted, bro. Right now, if I want to hit dopamine, then I'll have to do 1 or 2 hours of exercise. Then after that 2 hours, my body will start releasing dopamine. I will feel like really, really good. And for in your case, for the dopamine, what you are doing, you are doing masturbation, just a 5 minute work that is giving you really, really good dopamine. And this is the thing, that when you receive dopamine in 5 minutes, then why will you work for hours for that same dopamine? That's why it is called an addiction. Remember, when you done masturbating, you don't feel good. Why you don't feel good? I mean, there must be a reason that why you are not feeling good, you are feeling guilty. The reason is that you know that you are losing control. Your body is not in your hands, your mind is losing control. You don't want to do masturbation, but the quick hit of dopamine is the reason why you are doing it. Masturbation is not a bad thing. If you are doing it once in a week, or you can say once in 2 weeks, so then it is not a bad thing. But if you are doing it 3 times in a day, then it is like destructible for you. You are a person who is doing masturbation more than one time in a day, then your physical health will damage, your mental health will damage. And you just thought it is just a single video, and it is just 5 minutes of work, and I will hit the dopamine. But it is not about only 5 minutes. So you lose your hour. Thousands of people who are suffering from erectile dysfunction, they have done a lot of masturbation in a period of time for years, so they are feeling erectile dysfunction, because masturbation is not a natural process, it is an unnatural process. You apply unnatural force to it, to your penis, your unnatural friction to your penis, and that is why it is not recommended, and you are doing it very aggressive. And you have experienced some things that you are facing lack of confidence. You cannot focus on things when you are studying or doing something. You cannot focus on things for hours, because in between you just get the urge of that I'll have to do masturbate. Then you just got time and you just do it, and you thought it is just a minute of thing of 5 minutes, and so I will hit the dopamine. What is a big deal? But when you will get the real chance of doing things, then you will fail there. You thought that what I have did with my life. There are people who prefer masturbation instead of doing the real thing that they have to do in your life. This is the purpose of your life. I mean, why are you living this life? You are living this life for a purpose, no? And what you have did, you have just masturbated your whole life, and right now you are doing the same thing. And there are some people who are unable to sleep properly, because before sleeping they have to do masturbate. I mean, this is the kind of life you are living. This is not good. I mean, if you need masturbation for sleep, then how you are gonna tackle the real life situations when there will be days that there are people who survive days without eating, and you are the person who cannot sleep without masturbation. You should feel shame about it. I mean, really, you should feel shame about it. Let me tell you one thing, that this is not a kind of addiction that cannot be controlled. It can controlled very easily, but for you have to do few things. First thing that you will have to do is stop feeling guilty after masturbation. Like, if you masturbated, don't worry. I mean, it's a very normal thing. You don't have to feel guilty about it. Firstly, you just have to control yourself that if you are doing 3 times a day, that my target will be once in a week. I will keep myself busy in so many things that I don't have the time to think about it. For that you will have to find a skill for that, a new thing for that. Like right now I am learning English in my life, then what you should do, you can think that okay, I will start doing exercise on daily basis. When you will spend your 1 to 2 hours in exercising, then automatically your time will consumed in these things, and you don't have the time for thinking about masturbation and other things. But the first point that I have told you, that stop being guilty about it, it is a very important step, because if you will feel guilty after every masturbation, then you cannot get rid of it. It will be very difficult for you. The first step is stop yourself from being guilty. Whenever you do masturbation, told yourself that okay, it is a natural thing, it is not going to affect my physical health, mental health, and I will reduce it. This is the promise to me, because if you will feel guilty, you will spend 1 hour in feeling guilty. Relax. If we caught it on a right time, then we can definitely reverse it, and it will be no longer a disease for life. But it is very important to catch it on time, because you have to decide that do you want to a slave of a screen, or you just want to be a man that has a lot of control on himself, a man with control. You have to control a lot of people in life, and right now you are not able to control yourself. this is a very this is very bad, for you. Of patients coming to me, and when I ask them what happened, then they just see one thing, that they are suffering from erectile dysfunction. And if you and when I ask them that how often you masturbate, so they are like, daily, we are masturbating daily. And now we are married, and our physical problems are getting worse with their partners, because you spend your life masturbating. You do not know what is a real thing, what I'll have to do in real life, because of that 5 minutes of dopamine urge. Suppose how you are going to do any type of physical activity, or you think about your future when you are masturbating 3 times a day. If you are masturbating 3 times a day, after masturbating, you realize you realize that you felt very weak after masturbation. Then 1 or 2 hours of yours already gone in sleeping or just laying down on the bed. Then how you are supposed to be productive in your day? Think about it. Doing 3 times a day, that is very bad. In upcoming time, you have to do a lot of things in your life. You have to go office, you have to go for college. Then how you are supposed to manage? So there are just 2 or 3 practical ways that you can control masturbation. You cannot stop it. You cannot stop it. It is a natural thing to do. But doing it 3 times a day, 2 times a day, or if you are doing it on daily basis, that is very bad for your health, and this is gonna ruin your health. The step is stop blaming yourself, stop feeling guilty about it. If you have done it, don't worry. It is a natural thing that you have did, and you just have to say to yourself that okay, I'm gonna control it. If I'm doing it on daily basis, I will reduce it. I will reduce watching porn on social media. I will reduce watching ugly things on social media. And the second thing is, keep yourself busy in doing things such as if you such as physical activities, learning a new language, and there are a lot of things to do that you can learn. Find yourself, find something about you, that what do you want to do in your life. There are a lot of opportunities right now in 2026. We are living in such a great generation, that this is a time of artificial intelligence, and you can learn artificial intelligence. There are a lot of things in it, and what you are doing, masturbating 3 times a day. So just control yourself, otherwise it's really gonna ruin your life. So yeah, this is a day 4 of our speaking English, and I'm really happy that I'm managing to record my videos on daily basis. In upcoming time, I'm thinking to record some vlogs also, vlogs in English. I mean, for me, this is very fascinating because I have never did such a thing in my life. I start following people on Instagram that only speak English, and I really wanted to speak English in my life because I mean, I really don't know that how I was not figured it out earlier that English is such an important thing and it can change my life. So yes, okay, bye.